Today I'm going to show you how you can take a boost shot photos in the ZTE Blade A51. So the first step, open the camera app, then slide to the right side on this menu bar to the more and pick the pulse. Now just hold the finger on the share button. We took 12 photos, and now if you need to pick the best one, open it in the gallery and select your best frame. Now tap on the pulse icon. And choose the set as main photo or the keep this photo only. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.